I'm Danny. Here at Guest Services, we are proud to be a part of the Green Initiative. As of January 1st, we went to a non-disposable policy on the river. This includes, but not limited to, plastic or aluminum bottles and cans, plastic bags, styrofoam, paper bags, napkins, paper towels.
Hi, I'm Teresa, and I wanted to share with you some acceptable items that you can take down the Weeki Wachee River with you. If you plan on bringing any sandwiches down the river, snacks, cookies, trail mix, anything that would be in plastic, make sure you use one of the reusable type storage containers. That way we can eliminate any extra trash that's going down our Weeki Wachee River. When bringing liquids down the river, such as your water bottles or your Gatorades, remember these are not acceptable, but something such as a Yeti or your insulated thermoses are what's best used for the river. A couple other items that are acceptable to put your storage in would be our dry bag, which we also sell here at the boathouse. You can put your keys, wallets in. We also have the small storage bag, which we also sell at the boathouse. And then your igloo. Make sure the igloo is no larger than a 14 by 14 when you go down the river.
When bringing your phone down the Weeki Wachee River, we recommend using a waterproof bag or case to protect it for your whole journey. These are sold in the boathouse, so you can get them before your trip.
This non-disposable policy has been put into place to help protect the wildlife that live on the river. We take great pride in our company's environmental initiative.
And we hope you enjoy the river as much as we do.